Hi friends, this is Praveen. Welcome to my channel Technology Videos. So today I'm going to unbox Lenovo Flex 5 Ryzen processor laptop. This I bought it for 59,000 from Amazon. Let's unbox this now. So this is our Lenovo Flex 5 laptop. Let's open this box. Okay. So this is the laptop. Okay. Feels very light. And some paperwork. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, this is the pen. And this is the charger. Okay, this is a barrel type charger. This more or less looks like a MacBook charging block. Okay, anything else? Nothing much. And this comes with AMD Ryzen 5 4500U with 512 GB SSD, 8 GB RAM and 3-cell battery. So this comes with inbuilt Windows 10 Home with O365 for lifetime license. Okay, let's open this. Okay. Let's open the lid. Okay, definitely we need 2 hands to open this up. This is how it is. So it has a Ryzen 5 logo on it, AMD Radeon graphics, and this is the fingerprint scanner. And this comes with webcam privacy protector, so you can slide this on or off. By the way guys, this laptop comes with a touchscreen and looks very premium. The model number of this laptop is 81X200FCIN. So the older version ends with 4RIN. So this laptop is launched very recently. And guys, this is a full 360 degrees laptop. So you can use this as your tablet in this mode, or you can use this as your normal laptop in this way. And let me tell you about the ports here. So this is a power input and HDMI and USB-C port, and this is your earphone jack, and this is the microphone. On this side you have two USB ports, one full-size SD card reader, and this is the power button, and this is the air outlet. For a detailed review of this laptop, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.